Natural language processing. Can you tell us what that is and
Yeah.
what's exciting about that?
I think, natural language processing is really, the way I think of it is using your Siri. So you're just talking into a device and it's basically able to synthesize that and it spits back to you some response in a natural language. So you might say, hey Siri, remind me in 10 minutes to check on the stove if you're boiling water. And then in 10 minutes you get an alarm that goes off, or okay, I'll remind you. So there is a science to it and this whole like Markov model, and we can get into all of that, but it's a little technical on kind of how it came about. But really it was kind of, I see it as the origins of where we've gotten to with large language models. So in a nutshell, it's just Google Home, Alexa. It's something you've used for many, many years. It's just all about synthesizing language and text. And so kind of the rendition we're in now is more of this large language models, and now you're fusing all these things together. So that's where we're at with ambience and that type of technology that can listen to our conversation and document a note for us. So that is one root like tech that I see a component of AI, but now as these dots are getting connected, we're seeing how the full potential is becoming full bloom. But my son has a Alexa in his room. Both my kids do. So he talks to it every day and tells us what the weather will be. He's 6 right now. And he has this umbrella he bought not too long ago. So if there's any inclination it might rain, he gets excited to go grab his umbrella.
Here in Phoenix,
exactly. It doesn't happen very
thing.
often, but he'll tell us if a package is coming. So again, he's not getting on a computer. He's not really doing anything. He's just talking to this device, and it's kind of getting him info that he needs at the time. So I think that ultimately, in a nutshell, it's just kind of like C-3PO from Star Wars. It's an assistant that's there, can talk to you, can translate for you. It can decode things for you. It just gets you the info you need at the time you need it, regardless of the language of the other species in the case of Star Wars.